The kettle? The one without the temp control? Oh, yeah, it's been a nightmare. I don't really have time in the morning to wait for my coffee to cool down, and it's just too hot. I've gotten hurt too many times and even got sent to the ER for the burns. I just can't. The one with the temp control? Yeah, I've had it for years. No problem at all. I can select presets as well as the temperature, and it works for everyone in the house because of the presets. Just perfect for coffee and tea. It's been a lifesaver. What about the old one? I threw it out, of course. I still have nightmares about it.